Welcome to the video about Kalinga Institute of Dental Sciences, KIDS. Founded in 2007 in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, KIDS offers DCI-approved dental programs. With 100 BDS and 27 MDS seats across various specializations, we are committed to shaping the future of dental education in India. Classrooms in Kalinga Dental College are well equipped, fostering an interactive and conducive learning environment for dental students with modern amenities. The library is extensive, offering a wide range of dental literature, journals, and digital resources for students and faculty. The college auditorium is spacious and modern, equipped with advanced audiovisual technology, providing an ideal venue for lectures, seminars, and events. Now let's talk about the medical facilities and learnings about the college labs and features. They include advanced equipment, hands-on training, and practical experiences to enhance students' dental skills. Kalinga Dental College offers various medical labs and specializations for students to practice. These include orthodontics, periodontics, prosthodontics, oral surgery, and endodontics labs. Each lab is equipped with modern tools and technology, providing students with comprehensive practical training to master different dental procedures and specializations effectively. The college hospital maintains a steady patient flow, ensuring students gain ample real-world experience. With a diverse patient population, students have the opportunity to practice a variety of dental procedures under the supervision of experienced faculty, enhancing their clinical skills and confidence in a real-world setting. The college features separate undergraduate and postgraduate labs, each designed to cater to different levels of student expertise. These specialized labs allow students to practice and refine their skills according to their academic stage, ensuring tailored and effective learning experiences for both undergraduates and postgraduates. The college canteen offers a variety of affordable and healthy food options, providing a comfortable space for students to relax and socialize. The college hostels offer separate accommodations for boys and girls, featuring comfortable rooms, study areas, and amenities for a secure stay. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and like the video.